Okay, let's set this ANBULL Cordless Pressure Washer up. Again, this is the 21 volt cordless pressure washer from ANBULL, and it comes with a 7.5 ohm battery. So I already got that all charged up. Charge it up right away when you get it. You know, it comes with the charger that just plugs in right here. Okay, and there'll be a little light on when it's charging, and you can always check the status of the battery by pushing the button to see when it's full. It should take several hours to charge, 7.5 ohm battery, so just kind of expect that. All right, so we'll put that to the side. The other thing I wanted to touch on is it comes in this really nice case. As you can see, everything fits in here very nicely. So that's a nice case with a handle. Makes it very easy to make it portable, to move it around if you need to. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the wand, right? We've got your wand here, okay? This is the end that's going to go into the pressure washer. This is the end for your attachment. Now your attachment has the ability to adjust a little bit by turning it like that, okay? So you can see that's going to adjust the spray pattern. You can see that in there, okay? And this is just going to push in. You can see how it lines up, right? So you're just going to go ahead, push that in, and it does take a little bit of pressure, so just, that's normal. Push it in, turn it, it's in there, you're good to go. You can adjust it like so. So then, if you want to change it to the soap dispenser, you're going to push it, and then you can pull. And again, it takes a little bit of pressure, so just know that. So here's your soap dispenser. You'd fill this with soap, your little reservoir. Turn this on, so it just turns on like that. And then this would attach here as well. So same type of thing. You can see how it lines up right there. So you're going to line it up. You're going to push it in. And again, you're going to have to give it a good push. And then this is going to adjust a little bit. Okay, actually, here's your adjustment, excuse me. So you're just going to use this to adjust your soap. More soap is to the plus, less soap is to the minus. Okay, so that is how you'd have that set up. So we'll go ahead and remove it. And again, just know it's perfectly normal that you have to pull a little hard, because those rings in there, you want to make sure that they're good and sealed so that you're not getting any sort of leaks at all. So we'll put this guy back in, the more standard washing one, turn it, we're good to go. All right, so then we need to set up the hose. So you got your filter right here, that's going to go on one end of the hose. Doesn't matter which end, just pick an end. It's one of these barbed filters. You're just going to push it on, and then the barb is going to keep it on. I recommend that you wet the barb at least, and then you're just going to go ahead and push it on. And sometimes it's easier if you twist it and push it, but again, expect that you're going to use some pressure here to get this on, but you can see that it's not that bad. And once you get it on, it's very difficult to get off, and that's the intention, right? It's not supposed to come off. That's what that barb is supposed to do. So for the end that's going to attach to the actual unit, you have this piece right here. This piece works a little different. You're going to unscrew this. Okay, there's your barb, okay? This is going to go on here because that's going to screw down. So again, I recommend that you wet it a little bit, push it on. Okay, so you got that pushed on there nice, and then this is going to go ahead and screw down and screw that down tight. That's going to hold that on, okay? So you should be good with that. So this will get dropped in your water source. This is going to click on right here, okay? So you just get that to click on, make sure it clicks on good like I just did. That means you're good to go. And of course, that's how it comes off. Lastly, to put the wand on here, works no different really than putting the attachments on the wand. You're just going to go ahead and plug it in and turn it. Okay, so that's it. You're good to go. Go ahead, put this on here. Make sure that clicks on good. You're ready to rock. It's ready for action. Okay, of course, we got that battery now too. All right, now we're really ready for action. We just need a water source. So it's really cold up here in Minnesota. Luckily, I have water source and a drain in my garage. We'll just go ahead and probably fill up a bucket to show you, and we'll just spray down a car a little bit, show you how it works. So ANBULL This is their 21 volt. Comes with a 7.5 mAh battery, 650 PSI, which is very impressive, so it should work very well. And the batteries are interchangeable with Makita batteries. So if you're a Makita guy, this would be a great option to check out.